What's up, guys? It's Cody, Storm On Solutions. I'm out here on another inspection in Cleveland, Texas. Kind of want to show you what I came across today. So they had a repair done. Looks okay, right? Except for when you come to this. That is not supposed to be like that. So when you do a patch job or repair, these old shingles will not seal to the new. There is a tar strip underneath this that is supposed to adhere to this new shingle right here. Now, that is not going to happen from an old shingle to a new shingle because that tar strip is aged and it has been broken. So you were supposed to seal that back down. So that way you don't end up with wind creased and damaged shingles. So pay attention to who you have on your roof. Please vet them before you go through with any repairs or replacements, and give us a call. We'll do it the right way.